In this video, I will show you how non-destructively dodge and burn. First, let me show you the destructive way. And what I mean by destructive is that you lose the flexibility to make changes easily. So let's get started. I will duplicate this layer with Ctrl J, and then I will select my dodge tool to brighten these teeth, something like that. And if you, for example, went away up like that and you want to undo, you have to go back all these steps. And if you close the document and reopen it again, you will find the undo has been gone. Or if you used the eraser tool, you're actually making a hole inside this layer. So it's not flexible at all to make changes. So I will delete this layer and I will make another layer, call it dodge, and change the blend mode to overlay. And now instead of using the dodge tool, we are going to use the brush tool with the color white. Make sure to reduce the opacity, something like 50 or maybe 20%, and just brush like so. You will make the same thing. And if you went too far, you can always choose the eraser tool and erase, and then go back to brush tool and do it again. Not only that, you have also the flexibility to play with opacity. Same thing works with the burn. Change the blend mode to overlay, and this time we are not using white, we are going to use black.